Welcome back to this tutorial, and to this tutorial I'm going to teach you on how to import goods from China like a pro with 1688. Very easy tutorial, so let's begin. But before we dive into the tutorial, as you know me, my name is Rafi Yakub. I'm an importer and a procurement agent. If you want me to procure link on 1688, Taobao, or Pinduoduo, or Idlefish, or you want me to pay a Chinese supplier, or you want me to coach you on how you can be a procurement agent, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel, turn on the notification bell for more tutorial tips and tricks on how to import from China with 1688. So with that being said, let's get started. Welcome back, friends. So let's see how to import goods from China like a pro with 1688, a very easy tutorial. So let's begin. The very first thing you need to do is to make sure you open up your 1688 shopping app. Having opened up your 1688 shopping app, next thing you want to do is to make sure you add the items to cart. So these shoes right here are one of the shoes I'm going to purchase right now on 1688. But if you don't know how to add items or goods to cart, consider to check the video out on my channel. I have made a lot of video step by step on how to add an item to cart. After you have successfully added the item to cart, next thing you need to do is to click on here to fill your cart. Then all the item you have in your cart is going to be found right here. Next thing I'm going to do is to make sure I click on here to select the goods. When I scroll down, I click on here to select this. Then I select this. And I'm going to select this. So the next thing I'm going to do is to make sure I click on here to proceed to checkout. Alright, so from the checkout right here, you can simply scroll down and check all the preview of the items or goods before you proceed to payment. So for me to make payment for all these goods, next thing I'm going to do is to click on here. So I'm paying the sum of 322 yuan to purchase all these goods. Next thing I'm going to do is to make sure I click on here to proceed to payment. Then I click on here to confirm my payment. Then enter my payment password. Payment done successful. Next thing I'm going to do is to click on here to go back to my profile. So for me to access my profile, next thing I'm going to do is to click on here. Then by the time I refresh my profile, all the goods I just purchased is going to be found right here. So let's check it out. So you can see them right here. So this one right there is going to be shipped on the 9th of April. While this one is going to be shipped on the 8th of April. And let me scroll down and check the rest of the item. So this one here is go. So this one here also is going to be shipped on 9th of April. While this one is going to be shipped on 8th of April. And each of the item might be arrived to my shipping warehouse in China in different day and different time. So once the item get to the shipping warehouse, the shipping company will consolidate and send the item out of China straight to me in my country. So this is how to easily procure or ship from China with 1688 like a pro easy tutorial. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel for more tutorial about importation business. And lastly but not the least, if you want me to procure a link on 1688, Taobao or Pinduoduo or Idlefish, or you want me to pay a Chinese supplier, or you want me to coach you step by step on how you can be a procurement agent, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.